this view is so amazing. Look at that. Let me show you this.
Hello, brother.
Hello. Somebody just said hello, man, and it's a beautiful thing ever.
We love you so much, do it. Keep going harder.
Welcome back, man. It's your boy Arslan Jude, and I'm back again with another video, man. It's late night, man. 11. It's like let me check my time real quick. It's like 3 minutes to like 12, and this is like 3 minutes to the new year 2026, man. So I really appreciate you for watching this video, and right now I'm just in the city center. Wow, the area is so amazing, so beautiful, especially at night. See that? Look at that. You know what I mean? So I am supposed to be at the place where they're gonna be having this firework party, you know. But I just hope that I'm gonna be early, so I'm walking a little bit fast. So yeah, man, I just hope I'll be early, then see that thing nice and like show you like how is it here in China when they like receiving the new year. So yeah, man, I'm just out here, man. Wow, this view is so amazing. Look at that. Let me show you this. Outside, some people are just over there waiting, but look at this view, man. Look at this view, man. Look at this view. Wow, impressive. So man, let me take you there together with me, and yes sir, man, we're gonna enjoy this. We're gonna really enjoy this. Let's give it. Let's go. Wow, it's a countdown 9.
Hello, brother.
Hello. Somebody just said hello, man, and it's a beautiful thing ever. Look at that. It already done started. Let me show you this. Sound, man. Do you hear that? Oh my god. That's where I'm supposed to be right now, I think. Hello. It's a beautiful feeling, man, you know. When like the locals greet you with like happiness, you know. It's a beautiful and amazing feeling. So yeah, man, let me just look at the map and go outside real quick.
Mojib, good to have access to my phone.